So let's give them another round of applause.
Alright, so you guys might be wondering about our costumes. I mean, you guys might not be, but we thought we should at least explain ourselves. I don't know how many of you guys were here last year, but we thought it was necessary that we sort of top last year's cheap house fiasco, as hard as that may be. So this year we really tried to entertain a lot of ideas on what the theme of our costume should be. Some were pretty good ideas, some weren't.
Yeah, we had a lot of ideas that had to get thrown out. Once thought about dressing up as Japanese schoolgirls, but the focus group didn't like that idea too much.
We considered dressing as Mao's Red Army.
Too soon, bro. Too soon. And lastly, my idea was Chinese or Asian hipsters. Yeah, that didn't go over well either.
So we finally settled on ninjas, and in my opinion, we look pretty good. Alright. So we thought we'd offer a bit of cultural insight on ninjas, which do come to us from the land of the rising sun, that being Japan. And ninjas were actually, were used in the 14th century in Japan, sort of fulfilling the role the CIA will fulfill for us today, that being assassinations, infiltrations, espionage, and things of that matter. And ninjas were known for their stealth, their speed, and their great combat abilities.
All qualities that we do not have.
But I think we pull off the role pretty well. So continuing with our assembly, our next act, also from Korea, is by a South Korean singer and performer, TaeYang, who's part of the South Korean K-pop band, Big Bang. And in 2009, he released his first solo debut album, titled Solar, which hit number 2 on the iTunes R&B chart, which was unprecedented for an Asian performer. And then from this album, his hit single, Wedding Dress, is the dance you guys are going to see next. And we hope you'll like it with its R&B and hip-hop styles. It'll be pretty good.